Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers. Welcome to WPNN. My name is Nelson.
And my name is Sofia. It's a fantastic Friday to be a Panther.
Panthers, our boys' soccer team will travel today to Vero Beach.
The games will start at 5:30 for junior varsity and 7 for varsity.
Our girls' soccer team will play a home game today against Rockridge High.
The games will start at 5:30 for junior varsity and 7 for varsity.
In other sports news, baseball arm conditioning has already started. Conditioning is every day right after school with Coach Melendez.
Good luck to our Panthers wrestling team today as they travel to the Cypress Bay Duels today at Cypress Bay High School.
Students, remember, there is no school on Monday in honor of Dr. Martin Luther King, Jr.
So Panthers, have a great 3-day weekend.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue. Bro, you have to say go Big Blue. Why?